Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to repair corrupted video files using VLC. So let's get started. So if you want to repair your corrupted video files using VLC, then what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is install VLC Media Player, which you can find in your browser. Just search for download VLC Media Player and you can find it. After installing it, now what you have to do is just simply open your VLC, and after opening up your VLC media player, in the top left corner you will find media option. Just tap on media, and after tapping on media here you will find convert slash save. Just tap on convert slash save, and from here you just have to tap on add. And after tapping on add, now you just have to select the file that you want to repair. So for example, I would like to repair this file, so what I'll do is just simply open it, and after opening it and adding it over here, what you have to do is just simply tap on save and continue. And after tapping on save and continue, from here you just have to select your destination, so where you would like to save this file. So just tap on browse and then select your destination where you would like to save it. And after selecting your destination, now in the top you will find this profile option. So over here you will find this cogwheel icon, which is edit selected profile. What you have to do is just simply tap on it and then select what you would like to convert your file. So I would like to convert my file to MP4 format, so I'll just simply select it. And after selecting it, now what you have to do is just simply tap on profile name and then name your profile. So simply name your video that you would like to convert. And after naming it, now what you can do is just simply pay with this option. So you will find video codec option. From here you can change your bitrate, your quality, your frame rate. Just simply change whatever you like. You can also add subtitles if you want. So you can just simply do that, and after doing all that, just simply tap on create. And after doing that, your file will be created. So now what you have to do is just simply open up the files application and then head over to the place where you have saved your video. So you have selected the place where you would like to save your file. So you just have to simply head on over to that place, and from here you just have to select the file, and after selecting it, just simply tap on. And after tapping on play here, you can see guys, the video is playing fine. So I have not set my bitrate and quality, so it's not in very good quality, but it's fine. If you want, then you can just simply go ahead and then change your bitrate if you want. So just simply do this, and you can just easily repair your corrupted video files using VLC Media Player. So that's it guys, this is how to repair corrupted video files using VLC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.